the sweet potato. I'm going to show you how in the African cuisine, how we ancestors made the sweet potato. The sweet potato was one of the necessary vegetables that they had in African cuisine. I'm going to show you a simple recipe what they used to do in the African scene of food preparation. Okay, this is a regular sweet potato. I'm going to peel it and show you how they use it in one of their terrific dishes back in Africa. Celebrating Black History Month, what I did was peel the potato, the sweet potato, and I'm going to chop it in the sections that they used to do. The Africans would cut the sweet potatoes in strips, just like this. Just in strips, just like this. The Africans would fry them in some kind of oil. Mostly it would be lard pork fat. We're not using that today. We're using some canola oil, and we are frying them very gentle, not fast. Because sweet potatoes have so much sugar in them, they will turn brown quickly. So in order to get them tender, you have to fry them very gentle. Once the potatoes get soft, they turn them over. The Africans turn them over and let the other side get soft as well. And after they get soft on both sides, this is what they'll do next. They would add butter, sugar, and some kind of seasoning or spices. They would add a little water, and they would put a top on top and let it simmer till the syrup gets thick. We'll be right back with the African cuisine sweet potato in our African for celebrating Black History Month. This is our end result of our African cuisine. As you can see, it has a little glaze on top of the potatoes. Maybe that's where we got the candy yams from. I don't know, but this is so delicious and so easy. This is something I'm going to tell you happy February, Black History Month. And this is one of the dishes that I made for Black History. This is Sandra. Thank you for coming to my channel. And I always get recipes from soulfoodqueen.net. And you can enjoy some of the recipes you might miss and some you might want to try.